Hello, I'm here to demonstrate the experiment number 5 in compiler lab. It is known as the simulation of DFA. What is DFA? DFA is called as the deterministic finite automata. In this, the normally the backend of the machine is independent of the backend of a system is independent of the target machine. What will happen, there are two the ends of a machine, front end and back end. Normally the finite automata is a tuple. Okay, it consists of a capital Q, sigma, psi, q naught and f, where q is the number finite set of states, and the alpha is the number of input symbols, and sigma is the psi value gives rise to q into sigma. Q naught is the initial state, and f is the number of final states in the DFA. Next, coming to the algorithm, what we do here is, in the DFA, we will first give a table where it will consist of the terminals and the non-terminals, and you will fill in with the productions. The productions or the symbols which will give the intersection of the terminal and non-terminal. And later, when the table is filled, the string is given. So with the help of the table, a string is checked, and it is checked whether the string is accepted or not. So first, what will we do? An input string x is terminated by EOF character, and so when we give an input string that is either terminated with the help of a dollar or a hash symbol. So now the first starting state is denoted with the help of the S naught, and if the string is accepted, the output will be, if the string is accepted, yes, it is accepted, or else no. So first, the method to do this is, first you have to take as S equal to S naught, then C equal to next. While you have to check if the string will have the end of file character, we have to when it does not contain end of file character, then we have to move on to the move forward to take the symbol, or else if it is end, you have to terminate it with that symbol, and then just tell whether the string is present or not. If it is not, then check with the next symbol. Check with the when the symbol is taken, you have to check with the a table in your table which contains the terminal and non-terminal intersection. So coming to the program, we will first initialize two string variables, one for the terminals and one for the non-terminals. So in this terminal, so before that, we are going to enter the number of states and the number of terminals. So with the help of that, now you will enter the names of the states and names of the terminals with the help of a for loop. After you do that, you're going to initialize the ending and the starting variable with the help of a null character. Now you're taking an array, initializing an array with a length of size 3. So you will keep checking the length of the array, and you're storing it in the variable called length. So you will keep checking it till the length of the array. You will go forward. Once you go forward, then it will reach to a place where you will get the end, that is the last end of file character. So once you arrive at that, you have to print the starting and the ending states of the symbol. Starting and the ending state. Now you're checking with a for loop whether it will equals. So if the array contains that variable, if the equals to the string in the input string, then what you have to do, you have to change the position of the string. That is, you have to move forward. If it is equal to the next one, then you have to increment the position to i+1. Now, if the and so on, you have to increment. You have to keep checking the array till the end of the array is over. So then you have to use a break statement to break the loop. So if it is end, that is you come to the end of the file character, you have to say that the string is accepted. Now when all this is done, if this is not present in the table, I mean the symbol, any symbol is not existing in the table, then you have to say that the string is not accepted. Okay, this is the input. I think you can see this. See that I'm entering the number of states and the state names and the number of terminals and the terminal names. Now the string input string is BBA. So the starting symbol is A and the ending symbol is C. So the string is accepted. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.